Everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz, and today we're in my kitchen. Well, we're looking into my living room, but today we are doing some bath bombs for our 52 week challenge. And today we are doing a special one called Lilypad. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this scent. This one is a scent called Cottage Breeze. If you're interested in it, it is from Crafter's Choice. I'll put that up if you're interested in getting it. I absolutely love this scent. Oh my gosh, it smells just like being out in your cottage and in the backyard. And I always thought with cottages, there's always a pond out back. And so I thought, hey, lily pads. And we're going to use lily colors today. So keep watch. Let me turn the camera down and let's get started. All right, there we go. So here is what we have. We have our baking powder and baking soda. We have our molds and we have our beautiful color. This is the color we're going to be using today. It's called Lilypad Green, and it's from Crafter's Choice. And I thought, oh, what a great pairing. And then our decoration is going to be this really pretty glitter. Now, somebody asked me once, where do I get these glitters? It's a trade secret. I'm not going to give that out. But so there you go. So let's get this sifted. In our sifter, we have baking soda, citric acid, and cream of tartar, cornstarch. And we're going to sift that together. Notice I put something in the bucket below. I put in some SLSA. I am not going to get that mixed up because I have asthma and it is not good for my lungs. So we never sift it. Ever, ever, ever. In fact, it's always good to wear PPE or personal protection equipment when we are doing this because it is helps our lungs and keeps it out of our lungs. It's very lung irritating. I actually got some in my lungs yesterday and had to stop recording because I started to cough so bad. So we are not going to do that again. Yes, I am not wearing my gloves today. I'm finding that I am allergic to them, but this is a demo product anyway, and I will use these at my vendor shows and such. So nobody touches it, and this one will never get sold. We will do some new stuff for that. All right, so we've got that. Let's add our lily green. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. I'm going to go a light green on that one, like a mint. Keep it really light here. I thought about doing a double color on this one, but I thought, you know what? Nah, I want to make it this pretty Lilypad green, and then we'll add that on top for the covers. All right, so I'm going to put this aside. We're going to bring in here our bucket here. And we are I'm going to wipe that off. Had it in some water to soak it because it was a little bit on the wet side yesterday, or had too much in there. My puppy's going to go off on us a little bit. Sorry. I can't help that. All right. And we only need about that much. Oh, he settled down. And then we're going to do a little bit of the hemp seed oil. And we're going to do some water. Should only need 2. So we'll add water. And then we're going to add, if I can, all right, and then we're going to add our polysorbate 80. We're going to mix this all up. All right, there we go. And we're going to mix the bottom of this up. We're going to get this all good. It's going to gel up, which is exactly what I want to do. Okay, good. It quieted down. The new puppy training. Trying to go out of the room every once in a while because he just wants to sit and whine. He's just going to continue to whine, so we'll just let him be. He's okay. He's in a safe little crate, and he's only about, he's just really, really young. So we're teaching him really how to be, and he'll get there. Sometimes puppies just need to learn. All right, so I'm going to scrape this all out here. quiet down here in a minute. Yeah, he just did. We got a little doxy puppy, and now we're trying to look for a little companion for him because he's such a busy character. Usually, the past dachshunds I've had in the past have always been really quiet animals. They've never been really active. But this little guy is just completely super active, which is cool because he and I get to play, which is really fun. All right, we're going to mix this up really good, and I'm going to come back here in just a second. All right, so let's keep mixing this really good. That looks just about right. Okay, I'm going to stand up here and away. We're going to mix this all up here. Now, I've said this in the past with my other videos. If you're ever making bath bombs and they're a little on the dry side, like we tend to do, I don't have the fireplace going today, so I do have some moisture in the air here, but add some polysorbate 80 to your mix instead of water or alcohol. It actually makes your bath bombs work better, I found. And this one is really super moist, so it's a good mix here. Let's just make sure we got it all mixed up real good. When your mix starts to stick together like this and you drop it and it doesn't break too much, that means it's ready to go. So this is ready to go. All right. And I'm filming in my kitchen right now because of him. I need to be close to him right now. So I've got everything set up and we're just doing what we can to help make him feel better. He's got a little bit of puppy anxiety right now, which happens with newborn puppies when they get taken away from their mom, or not taken away, but when they're away from their mom from the beginning of their life. And so, whoops, let's spit that out. Okay, so that one's ready to go. Let's get this other side. Looks like I'm going to have a little bit of extra mix. Let's see if we can really pack this in. Sometimes that happens. So I'm just going to pack this all in. Bring it up there a little more. I do try to pack as much of this in as I can. Sometimes there is a little bit of residual. Not much I can do on it. I think we're good here. All right, let's put this together. Oh yeah, this is gonna smash together. And I'll just use that as a hand soap today, which is what I like to do. It's all together. I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm going to move my bucket in here. We got a bucket to dry it off in here. And then I'll put everything together. Oh, that came right out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Just a really pretty lily pad. Wow. We have a repair on the side there, so we'll just go ahead and not worry about it. All right, we're going to set this down in our bucket here. You can see it. And we'll let that sit and dry. That is really pretty. Yeah, I have quite a bit here. If I had a small bath bomb in front of me, I'd go ahead and add that. But this is hard enough. I'm going to add it up here so you guys can see that beautiful bath bomb. These bath bombs are available now. It is called Lilypad. It has got such a beautiful garden scent. And the description of it is listed there so you can find it and read it if you want to know what's actually in it. And there you go. Another bath bomb of the week done. Thanks everybody for joining me. I truly appreciate it. And thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have or need any information. I'm always here for you. And have a really great day, you guys. Bye.